Hello everybody, today I have a sponsored video from Dearier. So Dearier is a Japanese skincare company and this is their facial cleansing tool. This is the Glamour 365. So I'm going to do an unboxing. Although I've already cheated, I've already opened this up and taken a look because I had to charge what's inside. So what is inside? Well, let's take a look, shall we? So Dearier, this is the Glamour 365. So what is this? So the foundation of skincare is effective facial cleansing. So this is a facial cleansing tool. So I do like the packaging when you first open it up. It does look like a giant lipstick, doesn't it? So let's go ahead and pull this out and we'll be opening up the box even further in a moment. But let's start with this. So when you first open this up, it looks like a lipstick, but you pull this out, that's actually a carrying case. And this is your cleansing tool. This is medical grade silicone, so it's antibacterial. It does have 3 settings. It has low, high, and pulse. Now what do you do with it? You glide this across your skin. So what I recommend is use your favorite facial cleanser and apply that all over. You can pour a little bit on here and then you're just going to gently glide this along your skin. This will help to make your skincare more deeply penetrate, and it'll be more effective in removing makeup, dirt, oil. It's gentle enough to use every day, and this is very gentle. This doesn't oscillate or really vibrate your skin like other sonic cleansers out there. So if you have a tendency to have sensitive skin, this might be an option for you. It's gentle enough to use every day. That's why it's called Glamour 365. It's gentle for every day of the year. So now that you've got to look at this, oh, and actually this is my favorite, is that if you push the bottom here, that's actually your USB port for charging. It does come with a very short charging cord, which of course I'll show you. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So you can remove this. And I've already placed this on top just for time, but this is the charging cord. It's a little USB, just grab a little USB cube and plug that in or plug it into any other charging device. And of course, this goes right here. I do love, that's actually my favorite thing. I love that that's very nicely designed. The cord is way too short in my opinion. So keep that in mind that you need to make sure you're in an area where you're going to be able to charge this. But once you charge it, it's good for 200 hours. So you're good to go. So once we pull that out, they've got a very nice velvet carrying case. Who doesn't love that? I think that's very nice attention to detail. So this really is great for travel. Take this with you anywhere, anytime, and just put it in this little carrying case. There we go. It's got a nice little drawstring bag with the ribbons that say Dearier all over it. So I do like the packaging. It's very nice presentation. And then inside, I wasn't sure what this was at first. It took me a moment to figure it out. So first it has these little stickers and I was like, what is this? I was not sure what this is. So, but then I see, oh, okay. They want to encourage you to use this every day. So these are also, this is your instructions, information about the product. We like that, right? And it says on the back here, probably the most stylish facial cleansing device in the world. So those are very bold claims. But I do like it's ultra hygienic. And this right here is, it wants you to notice the difference in your skin when you use this every day. So this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and that's what the stickers are for, so that you can mark each day that you use this. So I think that's very cute, and it's a great way to encourage the consumer to actually use this. This also talks about using the thermal eye massage, which I'll be honest, I think that's a little bit of culture clash. This is, as I said, this is a Japanese product, and thermal eye massage is something that's not common in American skincare at the moment. It's kind of weird sounding to us, but it does have it right there. So you are supposed to put it on low, and you lay this part right on your eye. Again, it's something I'll have to try. I've not done it because it's honestly very foreign to me. It's something new that I would have to learn about, but it gets up to 42 degrees Celsius. So you press on and you just leave it on for 30 seconds for it to reach the heat, and then you apply. So if you want to learn more about Dearier, I will have more product info in the description bar, as well as a link to the product. And they also provided me with a discount code. That is for you guys. I don't receive a commission on that. That's just for you guys to save some money. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And thank you, Dearier, for sponsoring this video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.